Okay, so let's first start to review a little bit what we learned from last time, and then we can. I'm going to share my. I can start to share my PowerPoint with you. Okay, so first, let's have the dialogue. So I'm going to start, and then how about everyone's name? Last time your name is Yao Ming, right? So today, do you know other Chinese name? Anyone knows any Chinese celebrity?
Hi. Name is Tang Li Fang.
What's that?
Hi, I say my Chinese name is Tang Li Fang.
That's your Chinese name?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can write it down for me later. I'm seeing like we're going to use the Chinese name. How about today everyone's Chinese name is Mulan? So then you're going to have the dialogue with me, okay? So when I say, you remember, you need to say your name. So everyone will say Mulan, okay? Yeah, ready? So I'm going to put down here, Mulan. Ready? 你好.
你好.
We're having the dialogue, so I want you to have your maybe unmute yourself, because otherwise I'm doing it by myself. 你好.
你好，
好，
我叫张老师，你呢？
我叫木兰。
你呢？
你呢？
你好吗？
你好吗？我很好，你呢？
我也很好。
很好，谢谢。
Nice. Okay, let's do it one more time. I think some of you it's a little shy. Let's start again, okay? So some of you didn't have the didn't unmute yourself, that's fine. As long as some of you is having the dialogue with me, I can hear it. 你好，
你好，
好，
我叫张老师，你呢？
我叫
叫
木兰。
木兰，
你好，
你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也
很
很
好。
好，谢谢。
谢。
Nice. Good. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to review a little bit what we learned last time. Can you see my slide with the presentation mode? Yes? Okay. Can you see the second slide now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So today first we're going, last time we kind of like learned how to count from 1 to 10. And then this week, actually there's assignment, you need to write it. It's in lesson 1's worksheet. And then we just reviewed greeting dialogue. And then I'm going to teach you first group of pinyin. And then we're going to go through lesson 1 vocabulary and grammar. So, okay, now let's count together from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
三、
四、
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So in this week's homework, the worksheet homework, and there's video you can watch and learn how to write it. Okay. So I also introduced tones in last time's class. So if you can use your hand motion and indicate tones with me. Just read after me one more time. First tone. Ba.
八、
Second. Ba.
八、
Third. Ba.
八、
And the fourth. Ba.
爸
Yeah, okay. You want to try the challenge? We're going to put the four tones together, okay? Try it. Ba, ba. No. After four tones. After I read all four tones, and then you repeat. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn.
爸爸爸爸
Wow, great. Well, just from what I can hear, I know some of you didn't unmute yourself. Probably you are okay. Great. And then now we're going to start lesson 1. So I want you to go to your textbook, page 2. Can you raise your hand if you don't have a textbook yet?
I don't have a textbook yet. So can I get it to the student star book?
Yes, and you can also get it, I think, from the school bookstore. You can also go to, I hope you can get, used ones and also get it from Amazon, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
okay, so for the students who don't have textbook, I want you to go to lesson 1, module 1, lesson 1 worksheet. And then you open the page, open the worksheet, page 3. I actually have the new words, the dialogue for lesson 1 listed there for you, just for the students who don't have a textbook yet, okay? Only lesson 1. Start from lesson 2. I don't have that for you, okay? So, okay, so for the students who already have the textbook, if you can read after me the new words. Can you raise your hand? How many of you so far don't have a textbook with you?
I don't have it.
Don't have it.
So 1, 2, only two students. Rest of you has textbook. Okay. So did you guys open it? Open the worksheet?
Yes, I opened the worksheet.
Can you go to page 3? Did you see the new words?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yay. Okay, how about Nog? Do you have trouble finding it?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't see the
Go to module 1 under assignment. Assignment, there's one assignment says worksheet. Can you open that?
assignment and I see. Oh, I see. Okay, thank you.
Click on it and page 3. Okay, so now I want you to everyone read after me the core vocabulary. Ready? Are you on the page? So in Chinese, turn to page 2 is 请翻开第2页。2页 means page 2. 翻开 open. 请翻开第2页. All right, please read after me. 你好是学生 or if we read very slow, the second character actually is first tone, is 学生. But native speaker will, when we speak with normal speed, actually we pronounce as 学生. So either 学生 or 学生 are correct. I think number 4 is the most challenging word for lesson 1. So when you pronounce it, try to round your lip. Round your lip, okay? Pronounce one more time. 学生很好。第5吗？我呢？也他不
不
老师
老师
Nice. Okay, so can I hear you to read? Each of you read one word, and then I'm going to use my slide and to explain some of the keywords. I'm just going to, it's a good opportunity also for me to take attendance now. So how about Nog? Would you like to go first?
So you say page 2, right?
Yeah, page 2, first word.
Okay.
Oh, you don't have a textbook, so yours is worksheet. Worksheet is page 3. Did you see there's a table? It says new words.
Worksheet is page 3.
Did you open worksheet PDF file?
Yeah, I'm opening it and it say lesson 1 worksheet.
Right, exactly. So there's, I think it's multiple pages, right? Go to page 3.
Page 3, yeah, I'm on page 3 right now. But like it say Mama, Baba.
I don't have worksheet open right now.
I think on the worksheet there's like a part that says A vocabulary. That's the new words.
对
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be 你.
对 Okay, so that's the first word, okay? All
Yeah.
right, so and then how about 谭思琪?
好.
环呢?
See?
是
是
Yeah, this is also a difficult one. 第4郑家凤 家凤第4
我现在还在找 textbook。
OK， 那我先找别人，然后回头你来做好吗 Elizabeth 4
学生
Nice. And then Lee Kim or Lee Kim.
I'm still looking for that.
Okay, can I have Ming?
Me, David.
Number 5.
Number 5, Ma.
So because ma is neutral tone, so you read a little short. You will read as ma. Ma. Okay,
Ma.
Sylvia. Sylvia, can you read number 6? 第6.
Is it 我？
对，很好。Number 7, John. Can you read number 7? John, are you there? Okay, so number 7. So can I have Zhen Jiafen now? Can you read number 7?
我还没有找到。
Okay, 你还没有找到是没有找到那个 the worksheet or?
电脑上面的。
Okay, 好。And then 下一个是Lee Kim. Can you read number 7?
So right now I cannot find it. I'm still like it's open on the lesson 1 verse 6, right?
Not the receipt, worksheet.
Yeah, verse 6. So
Page 3.
1, 2, and 3, but I don't see the number that you're calling. I don't see it.
It's vocabulary, new words.
It's number 3 is like mama, papa, like that one.
How about below that?
Below that, I see it's like number 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay, how about below that?
So below that is still like
They have a list of vocabulary? It says 你好. First one is 你.
this one.
The reason I think you better get to the page because we're going to go to the dialogue. You are going to use the same page, okay?
Mhm.
Or if it's not,
okay. So like they say the exercise 6, right?
Hmm?
It's kind of number on the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in that. It's just only the pinning on that one, right?
no, there's vocabulary. Okay, so I'm going to have you try to figure it out. And then, so I will have Tan Siqi, can you complete next one? Can you read next one?
Is it no?
很好。然后 knock 第八
Yes.
8. Can you read number 8?
Yes. So it's gonna be
Yeah.
yeah.
Can everyone read after me? Yeah.
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 很好。然后第9 Juana
Yes.
9
Joe.
number 9. Can you read number 9?
Da.
A little bit longer. 他 他 longer. And then 第10 how about Elizabeth?
不
第11明谢明
老师
对很好 nice okay I just want you to read after me again number 4 because it's the most challenging word 学生
学生
nice 很好 okay so now let's see just now who didn't find the page is
我
it
是
Lee
个学生。
很好 Lee Kim did you find the page
Just saw like the number 1 they say 你好, 他好, that one, right?
I actually don't have okay how about now can you help like which page it is
So
from
it's
the
gonna
worksheet.
be page number 3. So you roll down all the way to page number 3, and then you see the vocabulary.
It's on the left side and it's vertical.
Yes. So it's gonna be the page. It say lesson 1.3, right, Ma? Then you roll all the way down, and then you will see the reading vocabulary on the left side.
The left side. But I think maybe I opened the wrong one.
So
I think you have
it say the lesson 1 worksheet.
Yeah, they say the lesson 1 worksheet. Right on the top, the page 1, they say introduction and pin in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we roll all the way down, right?
Yeah, so you roll all the way down to the page 3.
3, okay, they say lesson 1 and 3 grammar, right?
Yeah, so you roll a little bit more, and then you will see the vocabulary and the reading
Okay.
on the
On the
left.
Chinese link, lesson 1, right? So,
yeah.
The English and Chinese 你 and 好是 like that one, right?
Yeah, 很好.
Okay, thank you.
okay 谢
I
谢
got
yeah 谢谢 thank you for helping
不客
out
气.
yeah okay lesson 1 is introduced like 3 pronouns which is 你我他 can you tell me 什么是你
you
我
I,
他
Him or
he,
her.
him
uh-huh.
yeah so this character is indicated as a him in Chinese she and he is the same pronunciation, but different characters. Okay, so now just based on what we learned from the vocabulary, I want you to read the sentence, or I will read and I want you to translate, okay? Because Chinese, actually the grammar is very, very loose, very simple. So we pretty much just put the words together and then you can figure out the meaning, okay? So for example, first one, I will read, I want you to translate. Anyone you can either raise hand or you don't need to raise hand just to tell the whole class the meaning. 我是学生。
I am
I am a student.
很好。I am a student. 你是老师。
You are a
You are a teacher.
他也是學生。
He is also
He's also
a
Teacher.
student.
a teacher. A student.
Teacher or student?
Student.
Student.
我是老師。
I am
I am a teacher.
I'm a teacher. 你是老師。
You are
You are a
You
You
are
are teacher.
他也是老師。
He
He
is
also a teacher.
Nice. Okay. And then in lesson 1, 2 question words are introduced. One is ma. If you
Ma.
look at the ma number 5, it says use at the end of the sentence to transform into a question. What kind of question? Is a question you can answer by yes or no. So that's why we sometimes make it simple. We call it yes or no question particle. Very simple. You just place it at the end of the sentence, make it into a yes or no question, which means that you can respond with yes or no. So for example here, 你是老师, what that mean?
You are a
You
teacher.
are a teacher.
你是老师吗?
Are you
Are
a
you a
Are
teacher?
you a teacher?
Exactly. So when I add ma at the end of the sentence,
Mm.
when I add ma at the end of the sentence and it indicate it's a yes or no question. So literally it's you are teacher, yes or no. Okay. So of course in English we'll say, are you a teacher? Next, 下一个，他是学生。
他是学生。
Find
He
out
is
what
a
this
stu-
sentence mean.
He is a student.
He's a student.
He is a student.
很好，他是学生吗？
He's
Uh,
a
he is
student.
Student.
He's a student.
Nice. That's it. So now you got it, huh? You got the meaning of what is the meaning of ma. So, and now I'm going to introduce na. So na is also a question particle and usually is translated as how about. Usually have a statement in the front and to ask you, how about this? So for example, 我是老师，你呢? Means I'm a teacher. How about
How
you?
about you?
So usually we have a statement first, and then we use this question word, na. 你呢? How about you? Of course, you don't need to always say 你呢, right? You can replace 你 with other things. Next one. How about the whole class? Let's read this together. Ready? 1、2、3。
你
是学生。
他
呢? What
呢
this sentence mean?
You are a student.
You are a student. He's
About him.
You,
You are a student. How about
you.
him or her? Yeah, because I don't have a character here, 他, so we don't know is he or she. 你是学生，他呢? Nice. Okay. Any questions regarding these two question word? Can you read after me again? Ma,
Ma.
呢?
No.
Because they are both neutral tone, right? You didn't see any tone marks on it. So that's why we need to read it short. So ma and ne. 谢明.
I have a question.
Yes.
The first sentence, 你是老师. Would that be the typo as supposed to be the first tone instead of the fourth tone? The 师
Oh, that's right. Here has the tone error. 老师 is first tone, right? 谢明, you are right. I didn't even pay attention to it. Mm-hmm. 对. So, yeah, 谢谢. It's a typo. All right, let's go to second page. No, not second. Next slide. Next slide I want to introduce is yeah. Everyone read after me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah means also. What I want to tell you is that for yeah means also. So you have to place it. You have to place it in front of the verb. So you have to place it in front of the verb. So we never place yeah at the end of the sentence like in English, like me too, or I'm teacher too. So Chinese, we have to place yeah in front of the verb. It means also. So here, again, I will read, I want you to translate. 我是老师.
I am a teacher.
他也是老师.
He is
Is
also
also
a
a
teacher.
teacher.
很好. 你不是老师.
You are not
Not a teacher.
我也不是老师.
I'm not.
I am also
also
not
not
a teacher.
Yeah, good. Can I have you to read? Any volunteers want to read the first bullet point?
我是老师.
Second,
他也是老师.
and next.
你不是老师.
很好. And
也不是老师。
我也不是老师. 好. 有问题吗? Any questions?
不是.
没有. 没有. Yeah. John, are you with us?
Me?
No, John. I don't know if he's with us. Okay. Next. Next, I'm going to introduce 是. So Chinese 是 is very interesting because 是, if you look at the translation, it says to be. So what does that mean to be? That's because in Chinese grammar, is, am, are, all translated as 是. It's all the same. So it's 是. And then, so I will say 我是. How about you are?
你是.
你是.
How about he is or she is?
他是.
他是. One more time. I am.
我是.
我是.
You are.
你是.
He is or she is.
他是。
Nice. 很好. So it's so easy, right? So can you imagine I have hard time learning English grammar? Okay. So
Yeah, it's easy to speak, but when on writing, it's not
the
easy.
Chinese character is challenging. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So the negative form of 是 is 不是.
不是
Uh-huh. So 不 means not. So 不是.
Mm.
So yeah, here's some sentences. And this time I want you to read and translate. Okay. So can I have Knock? Can you read the first sentence?
我不是学生。
And translate?
I'm not a student.
很好。下一个谭思琪。
你不是学生。
嗯哼，
You're not a student.
很好。然后环呢？
saya bersesuai. I forgot the last word.
Good, good, very good. Just
How do you
continue.
pronounce the last word?
I want to hear you to try it.
Saya bersesuai.
Yeah, 学生。
学生.
Mm-hmm. Can you translate?
He is not a student.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
What's yeah?
Also.
Oh, he is also a student.
Huh? He is also
Also a student.
不是。
Oh, bullshit is like the negative, right?
对。 So English, you will say he is also not a student.
He's also not a student.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
He's also not a student. 不是 right? Yeah. Okay. 好，下一个，嘉凤。
我不是老师，I'm not teacher.
好，Elizabeth。
你不是老师 You are not a teacher.
Le Kim。
Yes. 他也不是老师。She also not a teacher.
Yeah, he or she also not a teacher. Yeah, 很好。Next one is just practice a little more of the question word. 你是学生吗? So can we continue? 谢明, can you read the first bullet point?
你是学生。
And 翻译一下 translate.
You are a student.
很好。Sylvia, next one.
你是学生吗？ Are you a student?
很好。下一个，是不是 is yes or no. Respond to Sylvia's question. So we're going to go to the next one, this bullet point. How about John? Okay, can I have Kui?
This one, 他是老师.
What that mean?
He or she is a teacher.
很好. And then Nog?
Yes. 他是老师吗?
Translate?
Okay. So like, is he a teacher?
Yeah, is he or she a teacher? And then respond, 是 means yes, 不是 means no. Okay, so let's go to next one is I actually just want to expand what the dialogue we learned from last time. And for the students who's listening to this recording, and you are going to record this dialogue, okay? So I'm going to be the one who's going to start the dialogue. So there's two endings. One is here. Let's read this one first. 我是老师，你呢? What that mean?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
我不是老师，我是学生。
I am not a teacher. I am a student.
很好。So then, if the dialogue is between two students, 我是学生，你呢？
我也是学生。
What that mean? 我是学生，你呢？
I'm a teacher. How about you? I'm a student. How about you?
我也是学生。
I'm
I'm
also.
Also a student.
Yeah, nice. So for the students who's doing the recording, and I want you to do both. So you're going to do the dialogue with one of your classmates and also do the dialogue with me. So you're going to first dialogue, you're going to put ending 1, and the second dialogue, you're going to put ending 2. Okay. So now for the class now, I'm doing the dialogue with you as your teacher. So which ending you are going to use? 1 or 2?
1.
You're going to use 2, right? Because I'm a teacher.
It
Okay,
is too
ready?
yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to use number 2. 你好，
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 我叫张老师，你呢？
我
叫
叫
嗯
你好。
你好吗？
How about I think to be just more together, maybe your name will be Mulan. Everyone will be Mulan. Okay, let's start again. 你好，
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 我叫张老师，你呢？
我
我
叫
叫
木兰，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也
也很好，
谢
谢谢。
我是老师，你呢？
我也是
是老师，
我是
是
学
学
生。
生。
Nice. This is a little hard for you, huh? Can you read after me? 我不是老师，
我不
不
是
是
老师，
我是学生。
我是
是
学生。
Because here has a comma, so you can actually pause a little bit and to have a breathe and then go to next one. 我是学生. Let's try again. I'm going to put these two short sentences together. 我不是老师，我是学生。Your turn.
我是老师，
你
我是学
生。
Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to pretend I'm your classmate or I'm a student. So I'm going to read the one with the first ending. Okay. Ready? How about this time you start?
你好，
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 我叫
木兰，你呢？
我叫张老师，你好吗？
我
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，谢谢。
我
我
是
是
老师
学生，
你呢？
你呢？
我也是学生。
学生。
Okay, now can I have two of you to practice this dialogue? You use your real name. 谭思琪 and Sylvia.
Yeah.
嗯，
你好，
你好，
我叫 Sylvia，你呢？
我叫谭思琪，你好吗？
我好，你呢？
我也很好。I forgot what happens next.
谢谢。
我学生，你呢？
我也是学生。
Nice. Okay, can you read after me, Sylvia? 学生。
学生，
Yeah, and when you say 学, you have to round your lip. Round it. It's like 学生。
学生，
对, yeah, it's the most difficult word. So, how about anyone else like to try? You can raise your hand.
I can try.
Okay, Elizabeth. Anyone like to practice with Elizabeth?
Here.
Okay, Gui.
Hello. So who start?
Elizabeth, would you like to start?
Sure. Okay. 你好，
你好，
我叫 Elizabeth，你呢？
我叫 Quy。你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，谢谢。
我是学生，你呢？
我也是学生。
很好，完美 perfect. Anyone else?
Yes, I can do it.
Lim Kim?
Yes.
Lim Kim? Okay. Anyone like to converse with Lim Kim? Wanna? Can I volunteer you?
That's fine. 你
Who's
好，
that? 你好，
我叫 Wana，你呢？
我叫丽晶，你呢？你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，谢谢。
我是学生，你呢？
我也是学生。
Yeah, good job. Okay, so I don't have time to have each of you to read, and I just want to tell you, I actually also have the audio link attached to the oral assignment, so you can always, practice with it, okay? Or just come back, listen to our Zoom recording, and then practice. It's need practice. You practice for 5 minutes. It's not going to last long. So if you practice every day for, I think, 30 minutes, and it will be very helpful. Okay, 下一个. Next, we're going to go to our dialogues. So for the students who's using the worksheet, it's the same page. You just look at sentence patterns. Textbook is on page 3. So for each lesson, we have new words from the textbook. Then we have sentence patterns, which is the key expressions for the lesson. And then we have language in use, which is the real dialogue. Okay, so now let's just go through the sentence patterns. Can I have, how about Sylvia and Nog? Can you read the sentence patterns for us?
Okay.
Yes.
你好，
Nog, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. One moment. Okay, so 你好，
你是学生吗？
Perfect pronunciation for 学生.
你是学生？我是学生。
Nog, are you on the page?
Where is that? Sorry. So I'm on page 3 now. I'm using the worksheet.
You're using the worksheet. Did you see they said sentence patterns?
Sentence pattern? Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so that's what you are reading.
Okay, so
Sylvia, can
Wanna
you start again the second one? Yeah.
Okay. 你是学生吗？
我是学生，你呢？
他也是学生吗？
他不是学生。
Good. All right. So I think all the dialogue is very, you know the meaning. Just last 2 sentences I want you to translate. Whole class. 他也是学生吗? What that mean?
He or she is also
Also a
a
student.
student.
Yeah, actually it's he because there's a character.
Uh,
That character indicate is he. 不，他不是学生。
No,
No, he is not a
not
student.
a
student.
student.
Nice. Okay. So now for the students who have a book, turn to next page, which is language in use. And if you're using the worksheet, it's on the same page. Can you find the language in use?
Yes.
Okay. So then I'm going to have each of you read the sentence and translate, okay? 你好,你好, we don't need to translate. So next sentence will be 谢明.
你是学生吗？Are you a student?
很好. Elizabeth.
我是学生，你呢？I or
Sorry. Can
Should
you
I read?
translate?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I am also a student. How about you?
I don't think there's also.
Oh, yeah, there's no yeah. It's
No,
just
yeah, 对.
I am also a student. How about you?
No, yeah. So you translate is I'm a
Oh,
student.
oh,
How about
sorry.
you?
I'm a student. How about you? Sorry.
对对对. Okay, 下一个, Sylvia.
我也是学生。I am also a student.
Nice. Juana.
Okay. Ta. I forgot the pronunciation for ta.
对.
Ta.
Perfect.
Ta. Xie.
他呢?
Ta na. Ta xie. Xue sang ma. Well, I don't see a. What is it? He. Is he?
What's na? What na means?
It implies that. How about you?
Exactly. But how about you is 你呢? Then how about 他呢?
I don't remember.
你呢 means how about you, right? Because 你 means you. What's the meaning? 他?
He or she.
Exactly. So then 他呢 means what?
Is he?
How about?
He.
Yeah. How about him? So it's like if you look at the picture, you have a textbook. If you look at the picture, it's actually 3 people there, right? So then he's pointing to another person, says, how about him?
So he is a student.
Ma.
It's like, how about you? Like, and you? Or
How about him? Is he a student? Okay, so 他呢？他是学生吗？ How about him? He's a student, yes or no? Or in English, we say, is he a student?
okay.
Yeah, you got it?
Yes, I think that's the most difficult because I think when I'm hearing it, I'm trying to translate it in English, but also in Spanish. So I think I get confused.
I think Spanish is, yeah, the questions are, no, but Spanish question actually doesn't change the word order either, huh?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, Chinese doesn't change.
So
Mhm.
is he a student?
对, yeah,
I
对
will
means
translate,
yes.
right?
Sorry?
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct. That's
Okay.
correct.
Thank
Okay.
you.
不谢. How about 嘉凤? Last sentence. Um, 谭思琪, last sentence.
他不是学生，他是老师。He's not a student, he's a teacher.
Yay, nice. Can we try to read this dialogue together? I'm going to be Mary and the rest of you are John. So you try to read out loud if you can. that will help you with the listening comprehension. Okay. So let me just send a quick message to the student who I don't know. Okay. So 你好，
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 你是学生吗？
我是
我
学生，你呢？
你呢？
我也是学生。
我也是学生。
他的，
他不是
学生吗？
真吗？
他不是学生，他是老师。Okay, can we switch? Okay, you are going to start. Ready? 1、2、3。
你好，
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 你
是学生吗？
我是学生，你呢？
我也是
是学生，
他呢？他是学生吗？
他
我
他不是学
是
生，
学生，
是
他
是老师。
Good. Okay. Any questions?
不是，
有问题吗？没有。Okay. Can I just have 谢明和那个思琪 Can you guys read for us for the class one more time?
Yes.
So 思琪是Mary，然后谢明是 John，好不好？Yeah.
Okay.
So the rest of us we're going to listen and try to improve our listening comprehension. Okay.
你好，
你好，
你是学生吗？
我是学生，你呢？
我也是学生。
他呢？他是学生吗？
他不是学生，他是老师。
Wow, perfect. Nice. Yeah. So you guys can listen to the recording when you need more practice, okay? And also, again, I also attached the audio file with the oral assignment on the oral assignment page. Okay, so, and then last part of today's session is I'm going to introduce the first group of pinyin. So if you can read after me, we have 6 single we call it finals. So can you read after me? A,
啊
o,
呃
i,
一
u,
呜
ü.
吁
One more time, and then I will see if you can read it. Okay. So in Chinese, these single vowels or single finals have fixed pronunciation. It's different from English, varies in different word, but in Chinese, it stays the same. So, 啊
啊
啊
or
我
i
一
u
呜
ü.
吁
And then there are initials. These are very simple. I don't think you actually have any trouble pronouncing it. Bo,
波
bo,
我
mo,
摸
bo,
佛
de,
的
的
te,
的
ne,
呢
le.
了
Yeah, so one is combined. I don't think you have, when the initial and finals put together, you don't have any trouble. I'm going to focus on finals. Can I hear you to read? Anyone like to try? Anyone like to try? 谢明
Okay. R O R E U Ü.
Nice. Yeah, this one is it's more like a flat. You don't need to curve your tongue. 对，很好。 Anyone?
I have a question.
嗯
The second one, the letter O is
or
war, and that in English there is no equivalent. It's somewhere close to O,
对对
but
对
not
exact
exactly
not
pronounce
exactly
it.
对对对 yeah. And then also the most difficult one I think is ü. For English speakers is ü. So it's like a combination of e and you round your lip, u, and then change into this. So it's ü with a 2 dot. Okay, so first you pronounce, if you have trouble pronounce ü, and then first you need to pronounce e. Can everyone pronounce e?
E.
Nice. And then when you pronounce e, where is your tongue?
E.
Like in the middle,
Is he in the middle or lower teeth?
lower teeth.
What T?
Against lower teeth, right? E is against lower. Okay, now you don't change your tongue position. Don't change it. All you need to do is you round your lip. So I will demo. So e. Yeah, so don't let your tongue go. So stay the tongue position same, okay? So ü. Nice. Okay. So can I hear one more person to read the finals? 思琪
A O E U Ü.
Nice. 完美 perfect. Kui, would you like to try?
Yeah.
I can help you.
All right. So start at finals, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. O A E okay. E U U.
Nice. 很好. Juana, would you like? No.
Yes.
Juana. Yeah. Would you like to try? Yeah.
O E U U
Ü.
U.
对 nice. Good job. Okay. Anyone else?
I can try.
Okay, Elizabeth.
A O E U Ü.
完美 perfect. Okay, good job. And then we have, our textbook. I know some of you don't have your textbook yet, so I'm not going to practice with you, but I have the audio file attached with the module, so you can go there to practice once you have the textbook. And also textbook has a rhyme, like a tongue twister. So I want to lead you to read just to reinforce what we have learned about today's PE, okay? Read after me. And this is going to be our last activity. 伯伯的马，
伯伯的马，
的马，
爸爸的鹅，
爸爸的鹅，
马爬土坡，
爬
爬
土坡，
鹅打绿波。
鹅打
驴波，
坡。
Nice. Okay, one more time. I will do it a little slower. 伯伯的马，
伯伯的
马
爸爸的鹅，
爸
爸
的鹅
马爬土坡，
马爬土坡，
鹅打绿波。
鹅打绿波。
Nice. Okay. So and eventually it's supposed to be, after you practice 20, 30 times, you can read very fast. We will say 伯伯的马，爸爸的鹅，马爬土坡，鹅打绿波. So that's your goal. For now, it's more focused on pronounce each sound, each syllable correctly. So if you don't have your textbook, I want you to take a picture, screenshot of this page, and then I'm going to put you into a breakout room in your group. If you can practice it a few times, then you are free to leave. Okay? Are you clear about what we are going to do next? I'm going to put you into small groups. In your group, you are going to practice this tongue twister a few times, and then you are free to leave. I will see you next week. 好吗？
好
Okay, 好。好. So I'm going to put you. Did you take a picture?
yes
Yeah. Okay. So for
Is the last screenshot from the textbook? I couldn't
no,
find it.
just here. 就是在这儿. Oh, if you have your textbook, it's actually page before lesson 1, it says, oh, here. I have it here. It's page F15. So you don't need to take a picture. Yeah. Okay. You got it, right? Did you all got it? Okay. So I'm going to put you into small groups. All right. I will see you next week. If you have question and come back, if not, just you can leave from your breakout room.